Hair loss can occur in other ways though. Another way you may lose hair from your hair system is getting adhesive stuck in and around your hair system hair. This can occur when liquid adhesives melt down and they liquefy. It can occur when you are applying your hair system and some of the hair gets trapped underneath. It can happen in a variety of ways, but we really want to avoid it. And always consider that if you do get hair in adhesive, you can always use isopropyl alcohol to get the hair out of the adhesive. It is a wonderful trick. Now, if you need something a little bit stronger, a solvent may work, or even a dish soap. A dish soap is designed to clean down grease and gunk and things like this, and it can really save your hair. However, dish soap can be somewhat drying to your hair system, so keep that in mind. Try not to use it too much. But making sure that your hair is not getting an adhesive is going to save a lot of hair in your hair system.